Hi friend, my name is Kiki and I am Jojo. Welcome to Kids Rhyme Magic. Animal rhyme in a farmyard.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, live animals in rows and rows. Let's meet them all, come sing along, a happy farmyard animal song.
Here comes cow with a moo so loud, she chews her grass and feels so proud. Moo moo here, moo moo there,
She's got spots and loves fresh air.
bleat goes goat with a little hop, nibbling leaves from bottom to top. Bleat, bleat, bounce with tiny horns, he skips around the fields at dawn.
Ba says sheep with wool so white, she jumps and hops from left to right. Ba, 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 she's soft and sweet, dancing hooves and fluffy feet.
Neigh says horse with a galloping grin, tossing his mane in the sunny wind. Clip clop steps so strong and proud, he trots around and whinnies loud.
Quack goes duck with feathers so bright, waddling around from left to right. Quack, quack, flap, she loves to splash in ponds and puddles, she makes a dash.
Cluck says hen with a peck, 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 she lays her eggs near the farmer's deck. Cluck, cluck, run, she loves to play, chasing bugs throughout the day. Wolf says dog with a wagging tail, chasing the wind and sniffing a trail. Woof, woof, bark, he guards the farm with happy eyes and loyal charms.
Meow says cat with a soft little purr, she stretches out and gives a stir. Meow, meow, leap, she naps so light, prowling softly day and night.